Hi everyone, my name is Mo Dele. I'm an attorney, digital product creator, and community builder. Today we're going to be talking about how to make extra income from skills you already have.
So do not discount your experience and do not underestimate what you can learn, right? Don't say, oh, I don't know this thing, so I can't learn it. All you just need to do is know a little bit better than the person that you're consulting for. Before I started teaching anything, the first thing I typically do is I go and research and research and research. Nobody is born with knowledge. Do not discount your experience. Don't say, what am I even going to consult on? How can I even be a consultant? Nobody really knows what they are doing. So basically, when you are presenting yourself as a consultant, you have to present yourself as an expert. If you present yourself as an expert and you don't know your stuff, then you are actually digging a well. So as you present yourself as an expert, make sure you are constantly upskilling. I have a group of other people who are consultants as well in my field, and I reach out to them. I ask them questions. I pay for their courses because the truth is, I also want to upskill myself. I don't want to get to a point where people will be like, oh, this babe doesn't even know what she's talking about. It will hurt me more than it would help me grow. Another hack for consulting is make sure you get as many retainers as possible. What do I mean by that? When you have retainers, what retainers does is that it helps you to secure your pipeline, and I'll explain. And your retainer should be something that your clients won't think too much about. So say you're a fashion designer, you'll be like, this person comes to you, makes one or two clothes and they go. That's not good enough. You need to secure that pipeline. You know what you do? Tell them that for 10,000 naira a month, I'll be your style consultant. What that means is when you're going for events and all of that, up to 3 events in a month, I will tell you what to wear. The client is going to think about it and say, for 10,000 naira, I'm going to get a styling consultant. Why not? But what you are doing is that you are securing that pipeline. Every time that they want to now make an outfit, they are going to think about that person that they have a retainer with. Does this make sense? This is the hack I use for my law firm. So the way my law firm works is this. My retainer is very cheap. People always ask me, they're like, but Mo, you guys have international lawyers in Nigeria, in Kenya, in the US. Why is your retainer so cheap? I'm like, because our retainers are not where we make money. Our retainers is what helps us to secure the pipeline. If somebody is paying me a cheap retainer, something that they don't even think about in a month, $100 in a month, when they have that $500,000 deal, they're going to think about me because they're going to be like, oh, this Mo, she has been with me for like 6 months. She knows all the things I'm doing, right? So let me just tell her to do this deal. Same thing with you as a fashion designer, right? Like, so what's going to happen is somebody that is paying a small retainer fee to have you as a style consultant for them, whenever they now have this outfit to make, they will just conveniently come to you and say, this fashion designer understands my body, understands my taste. People are lazy. They just like convenience. So that person is going to most likely come to you. That's the easiest way to secure the pipeline. Do you need time to first talk with people, convince them before getting fully involved? I always advise that before you start doing something full-time, of course, try and look at the revenue projections of that particular thing that you are trying to do full-time, depending again on the kind of consulting practice that you are trying to build. You do need time, and you don't convince people by yourself. What convinces people to buy is results, right? So even if your first 2 gigs are things that you do for free, you want to be able to get those results. You pick 2 or 3 people, and then you do it for free. Make sure you get excellent results from those people, and then your results will speak for you. So that's how I can sell my consulting course anywhere, because I have gotten to a point where people have results from taking the course. You get people to trust your service by showing and not necessarily telling. So your first 2 or 3 clients, do it for free, do excellent work, get reviews from those people, and you'll be good.
Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you.